Good morning, everyone. Today we are very excited to present our project called Sarkar Sahayak. Before we explain the project, let's us first talk about the problem that inspired this idea. India has hundreds of government schemes made for helping citizens. These schemes support students, farmers, women, unemployed youth, elderly citizens, and financially weaker families. The government spends huge amounts of money every year on welfare programs. These include scholarships, pensions, healthcare support, etc. But even after all these schemes exist, millions of people still never receive their support they deserve. And the biggest reason is not corruption or the lack of schemes. The biggest reason is lack of awareness. Most people simply do not know which schemes exist, whether they are eligible, how to apply, or what documents are needed. Government's websites can be confusing. The language is used often technical and difficult to understand. Many people living in villages or small towns do not know where to start. As a result, people either give up or depend on middlemen and agents. And sometimes these agents charge money for services that are actually free. This affects people all around us every single day. For example, a student may leave college because they never heard of a scholarship they qualified for. A farmer may struggle with financial problems while being unaware of crop insurance or PM Kisan benefits. And elderly citizens may never apply for pension schemes because the process feels too confusing. So we asked ourselves one question: what if technology could make all this simple? What if someone could just enter a few details and instantly know every scheme they qualified for? That idea became Sarkar Sahayak. Sarkar Sahayak is an AI powered platform that helps citizens discover government schemes in a simple, fast, and understandable way. The user only needs to enter basic details like age, income, occupation, state, and category. Then the AI instantly matches them with all the schemes they are eligible for. Everything is explained in simple Hindi and English. Our goal is very simple: to ensure that there is no eligible citizen misses government support just because lack of awareness.
How do platform work? Now I will explain how Sarkar Sahayak actually works. One of the main goal while designing this project was simplicity. We wanted even first time internet user to feel comfortable using the platform. The process work in four easy steps. Step 1. The user enters their details. This includes information like age, gender, income and etc. Step 2. The AI system analyzes the profile if compresses the user's information against the eligibility rulers of more than 400 government schemes. This includes both central government schemes and Uttar Pradesh states schemes. The matching process happens within seconds. Step 3. The platform shows personalized scheme recommendation. Each scheme appears in a clean and easy to read card format. The card explains what the scheme offers, who can apply, and required document. This makes the entire process much less stressful. Instead of visiting multiple offices or websites, users get everything in one place. Step 4. The user can confidently apply online or visit the correct office with the proper document. For students, scholarship, coaching support, and education assistance. For farmers, PM Kisan, crop insurance, and Kishan credit card. For women, Ujjwal Yojana, merchant benefits, and self-help group loans. For elderly citizens, pensions, healthcare support, and welfare schemes. For unemployed youth, Skill India, Mudra loans, and employment opportunities. Another important feature is accessibility. The platform supports both Hindi and English so that language never become a barrier. We also provide downloadable PDF reports and document checklists. This helps user prepare everything before applying. Now let us talk briefly about the AI behind the platform. The AI works almost like a digital government assistant. It studies the user profile carefully and filters out irrelevant schemes. Then it generates personalized recommendations in simple language. We are using Gemini API key to make this process smart, fast, and accurate. And since the platform runs directly in the browser, it does not require expensive hardware or installations. Most importantly, the platform is completely free. There are no hidden charges, no registration fees, and no middlemen.
So now let's talk about the impact. We believe this project has the potential to help millions of families across India. Today, many people lose opportunities simply because information never reaches them clearly. It solves this by making government information simple and personalized. This platform can save people time, money, effort, and confusion. It can also reduce dependency on agents and middlemen. Citizens can directly understand their rights and benefits. This is especially useful for low income families, students, farmers, women, elderly citizens, and persons with disabilities. But the biggest impact is awareness. When people know what support is available for them, they feel more confident and empowered. This project is not only about technology, it is also about social change. Currently, our platform focuses on central government and Uttar Pradesh schemes. We also want to make the platform mobile friendly so that more people can access it easily. We also plan to include step by step voice guidance for users who are not comfortable reading long instructions. To conclude, Sarkar Sahayak is a simple idea with a meaningful process. We are using AI not only to build smart technology but also to solve a real social problem. Because sometimes the biggest issue is not the lack of schemes. The biggest issue is that people simply do not know those schemes exist. And we believe every citizen deserves easy access to information that can improve their life. Thank you for listening to our presentation. So this is our prototype. Sir, because you closed the website while you were clicking it. So this is our homepage. Here you can change the screen to dark mode or light mode. And you can change the languages also. You can change it to either Hindi or English. So we are keeping it English. Next you can click on my eligibility. You have to fill this form. For example, let's just take the age 35, female, there's a low income, and then occupation like unemployed, and let's schedule caste, and let's check my eligibility. Now it is showing all the schemes that are suitable for the person, like according to the form that you have filled. You can also know more, like here it is only written the documents needed for this, and it also how to apply, like to visit nearest IOC, BPCL, etc. agency. You can learn more by just clicking on this, and you will get there to the website where you can apply. We have, like, it is giving you all the schemes provided. Now we also have a AI assistance. For example, there is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Loan. You don't know about it and you want to ask the AI assistant to tell you about the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Loan. So let's just ask AI what is. So it tells you about what is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Loan, and it gives who qualifies, the documents required, and how to apply. So, and then you can just click on impact. It will show you what is the impact and why this website is useful for you. And here you can ask questions that are frequently asked. So this is our prototype. Thank you.
This is for free.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
for now.
Sir, for now.
So how you will be like getting the cost of customize, like will it be there any funding from government or anything, because it cannot be free. If it will be
Yes, sir.
free, then it will be a cost.
Sir, we will add it. We'll add a plan to it, and we'll do a funding system.
Okay. So how you are planning to get it?
Sir, we will advertise, like we can go in the rural areas where it is needed the most, and we can advertise it there, and the people would know, and they would also start sharing to their families and friends.
Anyone else? Any question? Relevant question.
Sir, why can't we just use the website for official?
The project that we have created, it helps you to think of more schemes. You don't know, like how do you know how many schemes? Do you know any of the schemes? Like this website helps that you can apply for these schemes.
You have to fill the form. It will directly give you which schemes. It is so easy. You have to just fill the form and it will provide you the schemes. Below them it is also written what are the documents needed and where you can go to apply for the scheme.
But also, how many people know about the website? Because to know about the schemes, first the people will have to know about your website.
Just
हाँ तो हम हमारी planning to advertise it.
To advertise it, project is needed most in the rural areas, in the villages. So we would first go in the rural areas, in the villages, and tell people about it, tell villagers about it, like what this does in simple language. Then when they understand, they will automatically get it that this can be a useful thing, and then they later on they can tell their families and friends.
So we can partner with phone company or something.
suggestion.
Like pre-installed.
Okay.